Okay, thank you for checking out my auctions. Here we have a Star Trek Voyager handheld engineering pad prop replica with sounds and flashing lights. This is a really sweet piece. All you have to do is press the power button here and she comes to life. She has 12 assorted sounds. By depressing this area on the screen, you can scroll through all of the great sounds this has in it. Trying to take you in a little bit here. I'm doing this with a smartphone, so I don't know how good this is coming out. And then, of course, to turn the unit off, you just press here again. It's very simple. On the underside of the unit, you'll find a slide switch and a power cord connector. The slide switch is used for standby mode when not in use or when shipping. It's going to come with a USB charging cable, and we're also going to give you a very nice stand to put your prop replica on, which displays very nicely. Okay, hopefully this answers all your questions. This is a hero build. It's in perfect condition. It works great. You'll love it. Keep checking my auctions. I'm adding new things every day.